An Adobe Premiere Elements project file contains your complete video editing timeline, clips, transitions, titles, and effects arranged in Adobe's consumer video editor. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or export this video editing project. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn PRE files, you need a software that can work outside the box, a true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. PRE files are project files for Adobe Premiere Elements, a consumer video editing application. They store multi-track timeline data, clip references, transitions, titles, effects, and audio mixing configurations for producing home videos and social media content from source footage. Adobe Premiere Elements PRE files use a proprietary format storing timeline track structures, media clip references with in-out points, transition and effect parameters, title text configurations, and audio level keyframes. They reference source media files by path without embedding them. The application responsible for generating the PRE file is typically Adobe Premiere Elements by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated software. Windows can preview most video files, but editing them requires dedicated video software. Your key starting action: right-click the PRE file and select Open With. If Adobe Premiere Elements is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the PRE file opens successfully. If the PRE file won't budge, stay calm. The file is forcing our hand. We're going to challenge it by testing these common failure scenarios right now. First, opening the project. Install Adobe Premiere Elements and open the PRE file via File, then Open Project. Ensure your Premiere Elements version is compatible with the file's creation version. The application loads the timeline and attempts to reconnect all referenced source media clips. Next, exporting video. Click the Export and Share button in Premiere Elements to render your project. Select the desired output format and quality preset, such as Computer for MP4 output, or Disk for DVD authoring. Configure resolution and quality settings, then click Export to produce the final video file. Finally, relinking missing media. If clips appear offline after opening the project, Premiere Elements will prompt you to locate missing files. Browse to the current location of your video and audio source files to relink them. Ensure all source media is accessible before exporting the final video output. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.